In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up autoplay for your presentation in Google Slides. Having your slides transition automatically can be a huge advantage, especially when you're aiming for a smooth and continuous flow in either a public event or a classroom setting. Plus, it lets you focus on engaging with your audience without worrying about manually moving through each slide. Let's dive right into it. First, start by opening your presentation in Google Slides. If you haven't already uploaded your slides, make sure they are in a Google-compatible format. Otherwise, you might face some hiccups. Once your presentation file is open, take a moment to review your slides, just to ensure everything is in place and ready to go. When you're ready, look up to the top right corner of your screen. You'll see the button labeled Slideshow, or it might say Present, depending on your settings or version. Go ahead and click that. Immediately, your slides will fill the whole screen as the presentation mode kicks in, providing a professional and neat way to display your content. Now, once you're in the full screen presentation mode, your attention should shift to the bottom left corner. You might notice your screen has become quite minimal for an immersive experience. Hover your cursor around the bottom left and you'll see a small menu appear. Among the options presented, look for the three-dot menu icon. It's your gateway to more advanced settings of the presentation mode. Click the three-dot menu and a list of options will pop up. From this list, we're going to select the option labeled Autoplay, or it might be described as Auto Advance in certain versions. This feature is designed to automate the progression of your slides, making the whole presentation experience more seamless and requiring less manual intervention on your part. After selecting Autoplay, another set of options will be displayed, allowing you to decide how long each slide should stay on screen before shifting to the next. This timing is crucial. Think about the content of each slide and how long you might need to effectively convey the information or give your audience enough time to absorb the details. Choose a duration that suits your material and click to confirm. And there you have it. Your presentation is now set to autoplay, allowing each slide to transition automatically without any further input needed from you. Whether you're rehearsing or it's go time at a conference, this method ensures your presentation flows beautifully and professionally. Thank you for watching, and feel free to check out our other videos for more Google Slides tips and tricks. Happy presenting!